HP Envy 17 tons 17.3-inch UHD 4K laptop PC 32GB, 1TB HDD vertical bar Win 10 Home. Review deal discount unboxing setup. If you are looking for an impeccable performance in a laptop, then HP Envy 17 tons is the right choice for you. It is a premium series HP laptop with high-end design features that will blow your mind. The silver and aluminum body with metallic hinge lip provided an elegant look. Moreover, it is the lightest laptop in its size range, with a weight of 6.6 pounds. The 17.3-inch screen with good brightness and color contrast is sure to attract your attention. The Envy reproduces about 111% of sRGB spectrum, which is hard to beat. The touch works smoothly and is quick in response to a tap on the screen. The massive speaker bar above the keyboard pumps good quality sounds to fill an entire conference room. The i7 core processor with 16GB RAM ensures smooth performance in the laptop. It also has a good battery life of about 6 hours with UHD panel display. Also, the Envy doesn't get heated much and the temperature is well below the standard threshold. However, the display is a bit dim. But with great performance, vibrant colors, rich audio, and enough connectivity ports, this laptop is worth giving a shot. HP is one of the most renowned laptop manufacturing company, as we all know, and they have laptops for almost every niche works. HP Envy 17 tons is actually a business laptop which has a 17-inch 4K touchscreen display. Though this big laptop will be difficult to carry around, it will be a perfect alternative to your office desktop. It has a backlit keyboard with decent distance traveling keys and large precision touchpad. This is an all-purpose laptop which can be used for any type of work because its powerful hardware will never restrict you from doing anything on this laptop. It is powered by the latest Intel's 8th generation i7 quad-core processor and has 16GB of RAM. Whereas graphics processor in this laptop is NVIDIA GeForce MX150. Graphics and storage department is backed by a massive 1TB of HDD and 256GB of SSD. Overall, this is the best all-around performing Intel i7 processor laptop which will be able to do almost anything you throw at it, so this laptop is recommended to anyone who is looking for a 17-inch i7 laptop to replace their home or office desktop setup. I got mine elsewhere because I wanted a GB SSD. I've been a Mac guy, but gave my 2018 to my daughter because she's into photography. So, I cut a few corners on the replacement. My Mac was a 6-core, but I'm totally satisfied with this guy. I may upgrade to a 6-core processor down the line, but for now, I don't have the problem with the scroller, selector. I just tap the little screen, works fine for me. I actually prefer this to the Mac. I use a headphone DAC setup for sound. The sound came up specific to the Sony DAC, wonderful sound on it if you're into the master level stuff, actually outshines the Mac it replaces, and I paid almost a thou more for it. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.